faith run thin. Miss a little progress, but me still doubt him. Then you whisper quiet, child, me hold your hand. Every till your number, part of your plan. Me see you in the waiting, in the driest years. You're turning me confusion into crystal clear. Every closed up doorway, every brand new start is the fingerprint of Jah on me. Jah always finish what him start. Every line, every page of my heart, he never leave you work half done, 'cause him already see the rising sun. Every breath, every beat, every part, Jah always finish what him start. From the first little spark of the flame till the end, him a write my name. You no rush the process, you take gentle time. You carve beauty out of ashes, turn me wrong to right. When my story twists up and my courage shake, you hold all the pieces, them you never break. We're painting deep colors, we just see one shade. You already celebrate before the way is made. So me rest in your promise even when me can't see. 'Cause if you start a good work, it have to complete. Jah always finish what him start. Every line, every page of my heart, he never leave the work half done, 'cause him already see the rising sun. Every breath, every beat, every part, Jah always finish what him start. From the first little spark of the flame till the end, him a write my name. You intentional, steady, sure, purposeful. You know let go, you not let go. You intentional, faithful to the rise and fall. You know let go, you not let go. Hey, when me stumble, when me stray, you're still guiding up the way. Every detail in your hand, perfect plan, perfect plan. Jah always finish what him start. Every line, every page of my heart, you never leave the work half done, 'cause him already see the rising sun. Every breath, every beat, every part, Jah always finish what him start. From the first little spark of the flame till the end, him a write my name. Jah always finish what him start. Always faithful, Jah, Jah, Jah. Always, always, Jah always finish what him start.